The situation we now see with the Deputy President is that in the morning, he is a Pentecostal. Lunchtime, he is in the Akolino sector. At 2, he is taking the Holy Communion in Catholic. At night, we even don't know where he goes at night. So you have to take your stand. And there is nothing wrong in having a stand. If you feel that the house or the denomination that is in Jubilee is not good enough for you, it's always good to say, you take a walk. But you cannot be shuffling from one political party, so to speak, region to the other. You have to take a stand, and you will be respected by the stand that you make. But there is no coalition between Jubilee and that wheelbarrow outfit that we are seeing. So it's a challenge to the Deputy President to make his stand, and I believe that that should be his New Year message to Kenyans. Propelled you to the position that you have, it will be deemed that you have vacated the party that sponsored you to that position. So if you are to follow the party constitution, if you are to follow our constitution also to the letter, it means that himself, the DP, and his allies will be deemed to have left the Jubilee Party. In fact, if you look at, we have particular members who have clearly, said that they are identifying themselves with other political formations. That one, I don't expect anything less from the registrar of political parties. But we expect the political parties registrar, because now we have a substantive registrar, to make sure that she takes appropriate actions as provided for in our constitution.